Hey guys, Stefan is here. Welcome back for another video. In today's video I have something quite interesting. So I have the Samsung G-Track Pro. So quite interesting microphone with audio interface built in. So this is gonna be interesting microphone. So I'm very excited to review this microphone in my channel. And we'll unbox it. We'll see what comes in the box. Also, first impressions. We'll see the build quality, and then we'll check the sound. But yeah, I think it's gonna be interesting video. So let's start now. So let's unbox it. Let's see what comes in the box. I'm gonna need a knife. So this interesting microphone actually comes with a ton of features, and the first feature that comes to my mind is that comes with an audio interface built in. So in another word, you can plug in your guitar into the microphone, so you don't need an audio interface. So this is a very cool feature. Also, I believe this microphone comes with a audio desk recording software included. Very good. I will check that. And a little bit about the microphone. So all in one, simple, no drivers required. This is plug and play microphone for PC and Mac. You can plug your instrument. This is very good for music recording, podcasting, and gaming as well. So I hear very good reviews about this microphone. So I'm very interested to try this microphone because the sound is very good. Also, like I mentioned, this comes with a stand, but you can buy a separate microphone stand if you like. So let me put this on the side. And this microphone is very heavy. It's about 1.6 kilos. So it's gonna be very heavy. Yeah, we have everything here. So wow, first impressions is already heavy. This thing it's very heavy. Wow, it's like a tank. So we have the microphone. Thank you very much. I feel like it's my I don't know what I'm doing. But yeah, it's heavy, and the build quality is nice, all metal. We have a ton of functions here. So we have the mute button on the front, we have the mic volume, we have the instrument volume, and the volume for the headphones. So you have a real-time monitoring. So you can when you record vocals, or when you want to sing, you can hear yourself real time, no latency. This is very good. On the back we have the 6.35 millimeter input for your instrument. So like I mentioned, you can plug your guitar, and also we have a headphone jack as well. On the back we have the monitoring on and off button, and on the front we have a LED light. When the microphone is on, you will see a green light. Also we have three pull patterns. So we have figure 8. Figure 8 is basically when you do let's say a podcast or interviews, the microphone will pick the sound on the front and on the back as well. Nothing on the sides, so just on the front and on the back as well. So this is ideal if you do a podcast with a guest or an interview basically. The other option is omnidirectional. I believe, if I'm not wrong, is the microphone will pick up 360 degrees. So we'll test everything in today's video. We have a mono and two track. Two track is basically ideal if you want to record your vocals and your guitar 2-track. So basically the microphone will be 1 track and your guitar will be separate track. So my advice is when you record vocals and instruments, make sure you record in 2 tracks. It's much better for editing later. And mono, I believe, is I need to double check what is the mono, but I think mono is just like a stereo, maybe, or maybe. Well, I'll check that in a minute. But yeah, so first impressions, very good. What else we have here? We have the cable. We have oh, this is quite interesting. This is adapter that comes in the box, so you can mount this to any microphone stand. This is good. And some useful paper. So let me switch now from my lavalier microphone to the Samsung G-Track Pro and you'll hear the sound. Alright, so now we're listening to the Samsung G-Track Pro. This is a raw audio. The microphone is on 50% volume. I will increase the volume just in a minute just to have an idea how is the sound quality, and also we'll have an idea how is the noise floor. There's no lot of background noise in my studio / kitchen, but I can hear some humming. Also, I can hear the sound, the wind from outside, which is quite interesting. Outside is quite windy right now, also my chair. So this microphone picks up a lot of noise. This is sometimes is good, sometimes is not. And the reason for that is obviously if you have a not treated room like my studio / kitchen, this is not a treated room. I don't have any sound panels, so you can have idea. But if you have a proper room which is being treated with sound panels, then this microphone is going to be perfect for you. So just bear in mind of this information. So we are on a omnidirectional. This is the most popular polar pattern. So it's like a heart shape. So basically the sound comes on the front but nothing on the back. Also we have a stereo mode, left and right. So basically the microphone will pick up the sound from everywhere. And the more important, I think, interesting option is the 2-track. This is very good. Like I mentioned at the beginning, this is a microphone with built-in audio interface. So we have a 6.35mm headphone jack here for instruments. So you can record in the same time your vocals, and if you have a guitar. Again, this is very, very easy. Why it's called 2-track? So basically when you record, you're gonna have a 2-track. So 1 track is for the guitar, the other track is for the for your vocals. So this is gonna be easy if you want to edit. But so far I'm liking the microphone. The sound is good, so you can have idea how is the sound quality. Like I mentioned, we have mute button. It's on. So yeah, I'm back now. We have a green light, means that the microphone is on. But yeah, let me know what do you think about this microphone. The build quality is great. You can hear the sound. This is a raw audio. And this was just quick unboxing, first impressions. Let me know what do you think about this microphone. Currently this microphone retails for £120. I'm gonna leave in the link in all the links and descriptions down below. Amazon sells this microphone actually 2 times, so they sell this microphone. So I find this microphone for 143 British pounds and also for about 119 pounds, which is strange. And I bought the cheap one, obviously. So this is not a sponsored video. I bought this microphone. So like I mentioned, if companies sends microphones or products, I always make sure clarify that in my video that the company send it the microphones, but this doesn't affect my reviews. So if I like something, I'm gonna be honest with you. If I don't, but so far I like the microphone. The only complaint I have is just, it's not a complaint, but the sound, I can hear a lot of background noise. So okay guys, let me know what do you think. This is the Samsung G-Track Pro unboxing, first impression, just to have an idea how the sound quality. Let me know in the comments down below what did you like to see for the next video, because I'm gonna do a couple of videos with this microphone because I like it. Okay, as always, if it's your first time here, make sure to subscribe, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.